I'm gonna show you how I made 12,000 using these 4 indicators combined together, which gives me consistent results. Also, I'm gonna demonstrate the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. Missing important tips can affect the accuracy. The first indicator for today is MACD. The settings will be 14, and then I will put this one on 23 and this one here on 10. For the colors, I'm keeping the colors the same. I'm just gonna thicken the lines. Now I'm gonna change the histogram also. Yeah, beautiful. That's it. For the second indicator, moving average, with a period of 150, we're gonna choose EMA. Then we're gonna change the color also and thicken the line and hit save. For the third indicator, stochastic oscillator, the settings for this will be 7, 4, 4, and I'm also gonna use EMA for this one. Okay, for the colors, I'm just gonna thicken the lines. I'm not gonna change the color or anything like that. Okay, you can choose whichever color you like. I just prefer to use the original color for stochastic oscillator in this video. Now I'm gonna hit save. For the fourth and final indicator, it will be parabolic SAR. For the settings here, I'm gonna put this to 6 and then this right here to 9. Okay, for the color, I'm gonna change the color also. I'm gonna thicken. Yeah, it's saved. Now for the timer, I'm using 1 minute, right? And I'm using 30 seconds Japanese candlesticks. Okay, so this will be the settings for the indicator and the timer. So let's find some opportunity right now. Right, so I took this trade here, guys. Let me check the market real quick. Okay, we are below the moving average, and we are also below parabolic SAR. If you guys pay attention here, you see how close the parabolic SAR is to the candle. Whenever you see this, it means that the parabolic SAR is even stronger. Okay, it's telling you something. I don't know what happened here, guys. My screen froze. Hopefully, okay, it's coming back. Right, so I'm saying whenever you see the parabolic like this, it becomes extremely strong, right? Plus we see our MACD cross right here and stochastic oscillator cross at the same time also. Okay, and yes, we are clearly in the direction of the trend. If you look very clearly, you can see that. Okay, this trade was a draw. Let me find another trade. Okay, I'm taking this even though I'm a little bit late. Guys, you see, let me tell you something. I love to enter my trade when the candle just close. You know why? It helps with the accuracy and when you're practicing or whatever. See what I'm saying? Because it becomes repeatable instead of entering randomly sometimes. But this entry wasn't really randomly, because the price has just crossed, so I know it wants to go even higher, right? And if you pay attention to the left right here, you can see that there's a level with a gap, so the gap will try to fill. And you know, guys, whenever you're trading, there is something you need to understand. You have to combine everything you know. See what I'm saying? And that's how I keep a high win rate, by combining every single thing I know. Let's find another opportunity. Okay, I took two trades here, guys, because we saw that the moving average has been broken, plus parabolic SAR is above the candles, which broke the moving average. Okay, which tells me something is going on right here. And we're not gonna left out our MACD. To be honest with you guys, MACD is my favorite indicator. When I just, started to become consistently profitable, MACD was my, go-to indicator. Even though I still love MACD, like it's my favorite. I think it's the most accurate also. Yeah, out of every single indicator, MACD is the best. I don't know, I just think that indicator is very special. I really do. I draw again. What the hell is going on here, bro? I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna take trade here continuously. The reason why I'm gonna take trade here continuously, it's because I have seen the movement which is going on here. You see this base drop, and we are below the moving average. We are below parabolic SAR. And if you pay attention very close, the parabolic SAR is becoming closer to the candles. You notice it was wide right here. Now it's becoming closer. So the strength is getting stronger, and usually the candles try to separate from the parabolic SAR, which if you look very closely, that's what's happening right now. So I know it will continue going down. Another thing, I'm seeing that MACD cross its histogram candles, which if you guys watch my previous videos, I was talking about MACD. Whenever it crosses candles, it becomes stronger. Nice. Guys, if you pay attention, you're very good. This is a second parabolic which forms. Okay, and something very important here I want you guys to pay attention to, right? You notice there was a bunch of price doji. These are price dojis, guys. Whenever you see the price doesn't create a higher wick and a lower wick, we call that price doji, which means the price didn't move at all. It stick at one place. And what I'm trying to say is that whenever you see two of them or three, it means it's a range, and the price break the range, it break the moving average. We are below the parabolic SAR. MACD has been crossed, stochastic oscillator crossed. This trade is a short shot, guys. This is just so much. Okay, so I'm taking this trade for two trades. You see parabolic farming right here. Okay, and MACD, it crosses and it becoming wider and wider, meaning sellers are becoming stronger. Remember, guys, indicator tell you what's going on with the price. Okay, then what you need to do is candlestick psychology, price levels, stuff like that. You use them in conjunction with the indicators. See what I'm saying? This is the reason why you have to take trading very seriously, because only traders who study, practice, learn actually make money. If you behave like a gambler, you're gonna get gambling results, which are gonna blow your account. So it's up to you to decide what you want. Alright, I took this trade, guys, because I saw the momentum, and if you pay attention very closely, the momentum is very strong. Alright, plus MACD has been crossed also. Parabolic SAR, let me see, we have 5, so that means we are in the right timing for the parabolic SAR, and yeah, we are below the moving average, which tells us that we are in the direction of the trend. Okay, for the stochastic oscillator, it shows me that we have reached the overbought level, oversold level, right? But if you pay attention here, this week is lower than this one here, so this candle will try to be a red candle. Okay, we have 1 second leave, and this trade is a beautiful win. Let me find another opportunity. Okay guys, I'm taking this trade for 3 trades. As you guys can see right here, the stochastic oscillator and the MACD has crossed, right? And we see that the price broke the moving average and going higher, right? And we're gonna talk about our parabolic SAR, which is one of the strongest indicators I know out there. It's very good, and I love the fact that it's very straightforward. It just tells you like, hey, enter here, enter there, don't enter here, don't enter there. Like, I love that about parabolic SAR. And we saw that it becomes stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is telling me something, guys. Right, and we are above the moving average, which means we are in the direction of the trend. Okay, and this trade is a win. Let's find me another opportunity. Okay guys, so I took this trade because I'm seeing that stochastic oscillator cross, MACD cross, we are also above the moving average, and the parabolic SAR, we have a 3-bar going higher. And I want to tell you guys something very important, right? I know I don't really speak about this a lot, but let me say something real quick. When you're trading, you need the most probability as possible. Remember, trading is the game of probability, okay? But also you need to be careful of probabilities, because your probabilities need to be very good by itself. That's what I'm saying. And this is the reason why many people lose in trading, because they don't have any knowledge of the market and they don't know anything about probabilities. They don't have any knowledge. And I think you should try to educate yourself about trading before risking your real money. Anyway, this will be the end of the video, guys. If you are looking for consistency in your trading and you're ready to go to the next level and learn everything about trading, I have a mentorship which can teach you everything you need to know to be profitable. A lot of my students right now are making like 3,000 to 2,000 daily, okay? And they were inconsistent before joining the mentorship, and now they are consistently making profit. So if you want to make profit and be profitable consistently, consider using the link in the description and apply for mentorship. Please read the information in the Telegram channel before applying for mentorship. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.